Hi guys, how are you today? I haven't done food forest tour for a while now, so it would be about time for an update. So I was thinking I will take you for a little stroll and yeah, we have a look what's happening, what's changing, how is everything growing. And yeah, we have a middle of nearly end of February, which is pretty much the summer going to the end, our subtropical summer here in Queensland, Australia. And yeah, everything is growing well thanks to the water I'm watering, because it's pretty dry summer again this time. And yeah, I'm so thankful we have enough water so we can water our plants. So yeah, let's go with me and have a look. If you liked it, please put a thumb up for me, subscribe to our channel, hit the little button, the bell, so you get always notifications when I upload new video, and share it with your friends and family if you think they might like it as well. So yeah, let's go and have a look. So we start at the beginning as usually. Here is a new addition. This is a mulberry. The purpose of it is not only eating the fruits, but also I have here my working table. I love to work outside with my plants, so it will be great if I have some shade. It grows pretty good actually. It's about, within 2 months it grew about over 1 meter for sure, so it's good. The Peruvian parsnip, and some zucchinis going on here. So this is new as well. I've got an old laundry tub here with a connection to the water. If I have some veggies or fruits I want to wash straight away, don't have to do it in the kitchen, and it's going here down to the bucket, so no water will be wasted. So here still some rocket lettuce and new seeds for zucchini over there. So here's some amaranth. This is new addition as well. Planted some capsicum and some eggplant. Here this veggie patch needs some cleanup. So the rosellas are full in the growth, ready for the harvest. This is the Armenian cucumber. I created some shade for him because it's simply too hot, and it looks, even though we have a very hot summer again, the cucumbers are coming, so really happy about it. I made a video about Armenian cucumbers, how they grow and how they look and how they taste. So have a look in my videos if you're interested. So more rosellas here, the Queensland arrowroot. We had a predator here again. If you can remember, we have always some guinea fowls which are laying the eggs. So we had some predator here, has eaten all the eggs and also attacked the guinea fowl. You can see, I hope he didn't get her. The guinea fowls, they are able to lose the feathers if they get attacked, in the hope that the predator will only get the feathers, nothing else. So I hope she was fine. Our compost corner with plenty of tomatoes, little tomatoes. We can't eat them all, so we leave them for the birds as well. Oh, more rosellas here. The loofah actually, yeah. Loofah looking good. My favorite place is here, my banana circle. Probably everyone knows already my banana circle. So I'm growing the bananas in the circle. So the plants, the herbs which are here get some shade in the summer, and it's looking pretty good. Okay, the rosellas, they seated themselves here. They were not invited, but they can stay anyway. But all the spinaches are growing pretty good. And I have a couple of chairs here. I love to chill here in this place. So yeah, just love it. This is lemongrass. I will plant it around here. Lemongrass is a good stopper for the unwanted greens, the weeds. So after the frost, the young mango tree was frozen. You can see the remainings, but the new shoots came pretty quick. So this is a cool plant. This is a Chinese lettuce, already going to seeds. If you have a Chinese sort lettuce in your garden once, you will have it forever. So it's worth to have it. Look at the size. So look at the size of them. And there is a second one as well, which is so I've got quite a few of them. I had once a year ago, I think it was, and planted it and let it to seed. So, and I've got Chinese lettuce everywhere now, Chinese sort lettuce. So you can see everywhere. And there, it's huge. huge and they all getting flowers. So we will have a nice Chinese lettuces everywhere. And if you harvest it and peel the outer skin here, it's a delicious meal. You cut it in pieces and steam it, and it tastes pretty much like asparagus. It's really yummy. You can eat it raw or in stir fries, and not only tastes really good, but it looks cool in the garden too. Don't you agree? Yes, so now galangal looking good. Oh, my cranberry hibiscus is going crazy. We had a lot of wind, so it's a bit unhappy. I have to clean it up. So what else do we have here? Tree spinach, the golden road, peas, tarragon, this is a good way to get rid of unwanted nasty grass. Pigeon peas, this is native, Australian native yam. It's also called desert potato. So it grows really good. We will have a taste soon because it's the very first time for me growing it. Kangkong loves the summer and the heat, so this one is fine. Oh, lucky. Hello. Some more rosella, self-seeded. Moringa. Finally, I've got moringa growing. So Chinese lettuce again. Some pigeon pea, galangal. Oh, galangal is yummy. Here's some water plants. Pigeon Peas, just planted about 3 months ago. My silly dog. Lucky. The Madagascar bean, self-seeded. These guys are growing pretty good. This is the winged bean. Each part of this plant is edible. Leaves, flowers, the pods, everything is edible and very yummy. I think everything is yummy. I love veggies. Tumeric, onions. It's not the best time for onions. I think it's very hot, so the Malabar spinach is happy. The perennial leek, and we are here back again. The lime needs some pruning. So this is the first part of my food forest and the first fenced place we have. Over there is a second one. So if you enjoyed the tour, subscribe, like, and I will make a second part and show you what's happening in there. It's lots of changes. It's really exciting. So if you wanna go with me for the second part of the food forest, watch for it. Okay, thanks guys, see you next time.